What's up, eCash coin holder? The cash coin, my friend, were very fairly fails down. You can see minus 2.28%. The price is decreased now. So, my friend, you can see this time the crypto market is comfortable, but I can't expect this, my friend, from eCash to why they were fails down. You can see here, so we will completely discuss about this, my friend. But don't worry, my friend. You can see this time the market cap, everything is going very good now. Exchanges, you can see here everything. Now, my friends, what happening? You can see, my friend, they were fails down. And what we will need, my friends, to recover all the loss and they will moving upward. So we will completely discuss about this, but kindly, if you are new my channel, so first of all subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time, my friend, you can see here the market cap, you can see here 2.45% loss now. Fully diluted market cap 2.45%. Volume, oh my goodness, 38.14% they are lost now. Volume, market cap, you can see 0.07367 and circulating supply as 18 billion, my friend. So definitely max supply, as you can see here, and total supply, so it's I think going positive now. So therefore I am impressed, my friend. I expect very good, my friends, from this coin, my eCash coin, my friend, because I hope, my friend, they will recover easily this all lost if they will starting move upward easily. You can see, my friend, this time the resistance line they will already hit now. So the red dot line, my friend, you can see clearly told you they were fails down and they will lost now. And you can see the green line is just an only profit now. So definitely, my friend, they will lost now. So I hope, my friends, they will recover if they will hit the resistance line. And remember, to in the start of month every coin were fails down, but in this month, my brother, all currency will starting moving upward. But unique, my friend, you can see here eCash is one of the unique coins they were fails down. So I hope they will also recover all the loss if a holder are starting holding. So this time, my friend, I hope we will need, my friends, to hold if we get a profit. So in upcoming time, my friends, there is an 80% chance, my friends, the price will pump up, but just and only that's all depend on holder. If a holder are starting holding, otherwise this were more fails down, like there is a more dumps, my brother. So please, this it's priority from all coin, my friends, but try to understand, please hold now. So thanks for watching. This is not a financial video, please research personally, and I just give you advice. Allah Hafiz, take care.